Hello, it's me, Mark. I'm in London and we're going to do something beautiful today. We're going to take food and combine it with beer.
So first, we need a dark stout beer.
I'd recommend maybe the Kernel's Dry Stout. They're a brewery based out in Bermondsey. This is quite nice with some dry hop with Centennial and Columbus. So it should give you some of the flavours you're looking for.
We're trying two different beers with the batter, right?
Yep, we got a dark stout beer. We have a pale ale of Orbit. I'm about to cook you some fish and chips using our lovely beer.
And then you're going to make the same kind of batter with two different beers. One was the stout, kind of like a Guinness, and the other was a IPA, right? All of which were made in London. So one came from Bermondsey and the other came from Kennington, two little areas of London. Sweet. Here we go.
Here we go. Turmeric.
I think the truth is that I've discovered Ben's secret and he doesn't want people to know about it.
Definitely.
Don't tell people about the turmeric.
We need 75 milliliters of beer and 75 of water for each batter. This is the Kernel, the dry stout beer we've bought. Hopefully it gives our batter a nice sweet and nutty taste, along with a lovely golden brown colour. First thing you want to do, pat them down with a paper towel, make sure they're nice and dry. And if you have the time, about an hour before, you can salt them, and then the salt will absorb all the moisture in it. This is the Orbit Pale Ale. It was very fruity, also quite sweet. Hopefully it'll give the batter the same colour and texture. Woo! As you can tell, very clear difference in colour. Pale Ale versus the stout.
It tastes great. I like it so much that I would want more maybe.
Time for the Pale Ale version. It isn't quite as crispy.
It looks, you know, it's very succulent, very juicy, very flaky. Some people might prefer the lighter texture. It's still great. It's also 1,000 degrees in my hand.
Definitely tastes fishier. Yep.
A little bit more delicate. It doesn't overpower the fish quite so much. So in summary, if you want a darker, bolder, richer,
crispier
batter, you're probably going to go for maybe a darker beer.
Exactly.
Makes sense. I prefer, personally, I think I go for that. However,
the Pale Ale made a very delicate, very light, very subtle batter, but left a lot of the fish flavour. So anyone who likes fishy things, I definitely recommend the Pale Ale. I personally prefer the darker beer.